By legally evading tax, I mean using a good business structure to reduce the quantity of tax you pay to the government annually. Because nobody can avoid paying tax. You cannot. Are you normal? You cannot avoid paying tax. Ariba Joseph is my name. I'm the founder of Lagos Academy. I'll be talking about the current tax law, tax reform, what was in the old and what is in the new. I've talked about the personal income tax, capital gain tax, value added tax. Which other tax have I talked about? Yes, I talked about value added tax, stamp duties. Today, I want to talk about the fuel charge, the 5% fuel charge. And this was also in the law since 2007, but it has been sleeping. And there's going to be a 5% tax we'll be paying when we buy fuel. But currently, it's still sleeping. The minister, I think the Minister of Finance is saying that it's still in the pipeline. They are still considering it. So when it is brought into play, we'll be paying a 5% tax for every fuel we buy. So just prepare yourself. We'll be paying enough tax in this new economy. We're paying so much tax. Now, why is the government taxing its citizens? You know, we have been borrowing money from IMF, from China, even from spiritual people. We have been borrowing money too. One of the ways people that borrow money check whether you can pay back is to check your taxable audience. So before they give you money, they will check whether you have a good taxable audience. So if they see that you have a taxable audience, taxable population, they will lend you a particular amount of money and give you a time period where you begin to pay back. So the debt we have been borrowing, the way the government want to pay back is by mopping up resources from individuals and paying back, and also giving us credibility for them to borrow more funds. But you see, Nigeria's situation is a dicey one. If they are borrowing money and they are doing capital projects, nobody's stealing the money, it will not be too perplexed, too bothered. But the borrowed funds is stolen, and the average Nigerians is taxed to pay back stolen borrowed funds. You see, you will need special wisdom in the coming years to avoid the oppression that we want to be mounted on us. And to do that, you have to legally structure your business to reduce the quantity of tax you'll be paying. Ariwa Joseph is my name. I am the founder of Blue Academy. As usual, take care.